Lately, I've been talking about you already know. You already know is all about you already know that you need a second source of income. You need a side hustle. You need a business opportunity. You need to invest. You need to do something to bring in another source of income. Even if you have a two income household, y'all need another source of income coming in. Why? Because in today's economy, in this world that we're currently living in, there's so much uncertainty. Inflation is a real thing. Prices are constantly going up. Raises on jobs are not going up to mirror the cost of inflation. I used to live in a state where there was a COLA, cost of living increase. Those were very nice. Those are very nice. But I now live in a state that does not have COLA increases. And I guess at this point that wouldn't matter because my position was eliminated in November of 2023. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Nice to meet you. I am the business owner of Transform 180 with digital product marketing. I am partnered with DPU Community. And so today I want to talk about not only do you already know, but I found some information about unemployment, and it kind of baffles me because the numbers are only according to what the Department of Labor can report. It doesn't really reflect true numbers, and I'm going to tell you why. So, there's almost 2 million people that are collecting unemployment, and that is the highest figure since COVID-19. So there's almost 2 million people that are collecting unemployment. So I've been unemployed since November of 2023. I collected my full unemployment benefits. And when it's over, it is over. So I'm probably not even counted in the number of people that are unemployed if they're calculating those numbers according to who's collecting unemployment. According to the Labor Department, the number of Americans continuously receiving unemployment benefits rose by 38,000 to 1.97 million in late July. According to the Labor Department, the number of Americans continuously receiving unemployment benefits, it rose. The number of unemployment claims for the week ending August 2nd, 2025, this is current information, climbed 7,000 to 226,000 people. So those numbers are a little bit alarming, but not really compared to how many people are in the United States. But it doesn't even calculate or count the number of people that are not even receiving unemployment benefits. Unemployment is hitting households daily. I mean, it always has, but the numbers have definitely increased. And sometimes it don't really affect you until it hits your household. And so my purpose for being here today, my purpose for making this video is to talk to people who have been in a situation like me. I'm educated. I was working a job and I've been in the same career field for about 20 years, had a good job, was making good money, and my position was eliminated. And so I only had that one source of income coming in. I have shared this information before. Yes, I had all things in place. I had an emergency fund. I have non-liquid money, meaning money put away for retirement. I even had mattress money. So I even had money under the mattress that I could use at my disposal and replace it. Y'all know how it is. Um, Although I had all those things in place, that money, it was not sustainable to be unemployed for someone like me that's going into 2 years of unemployment. And my purpose here is to encourage you to get, to have, to manifest, to start, to begin something where you are bringing in another source of income, something that doesn't take all your time away from your family, something that you can run, that you own, that you control, that you're the CEO, the CFO, the president, the VP. You are partnered with God, and you have this business. So I'm talking to you about a business opportunity and starting something that you own. And it is a digital marketing product, which is a digital marketing course that I have that is turnkey. So you don't have to create a digital product. It's already done for you, and you can sell it for up to $599. It is not an affiliate program. Every time you sell the course, you make $599. Goes right into your account that you will set up when you set up your payment system. Listen, I when I lost my role, I started a coaching business. So I am a life coach. And then I was introduced to this opportunity that I'm talking to you about. What really excited me about the digital marketing course is that it teaches you things that you need to know about social media. A lot of us, we know how to get online. I know how we do. Get online and we're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling for hours. And it makes no sense to be online scrolling if you are not making any passive money. You could be using your phone to make a video, upload that video. This is all content, and that content can work for you while you're sleeping. Someone can run across your content, and you can be influencing them, encouraging them, talking to your avatar about starting their own business. There's so many people out here who want to start a business, and they know that they can make money online and be without a boss. They can be their own boss, and so that is what I'm here to talk to you about. This business opportunity, it is a turnkey business opportunity that actually keeps on giving. It keeps on giving because you own the course. So you have the course that's going to teach you so many things about social media, so many things about digital marketing. And one thing I'll tell you, anything that's being sold via social media has to be marketed. So the digital marketing skills are invaluable. Digital marketing skills are projected to be in the $1 trillion industry, part of the industry by 2030. By 2026, I believe it's in the billions by 2026. So what I'm talking to you about is learning a skill set that you could have that other people need, where you can not only sell the course, but you can start an entire business online under the umbrella of digital marketing. Some of the things that the course is going to teach you is about search engine optimization, Google. It's going to teach you about content. It's going to teach you about business, how to run your business, and how to have your vision mirror your vision. It's going to talk to you about your branding. It's going to talk to you about how to run a business on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, um, Pinterest. It's going to teach you how to make digital products. Listen, the course itself is amazing, but on top of the course, you will be a part of a community. The community, listen to me, the community is amazing. The person that I purchased it for has been in the social media or digital marketing space for over 17 years. So she is extremely knowledgeable. She is a master user of digital marketing. So we have a community where we meet one time a week. When we are in this community in these meetings, we are getting master level information. So it's almost like every week you're going to a master class to learn how to build your business, how to run your business, how to run an amazing business online and make money and be your own boss. So those are some of the things that you get. When I tell you it's the business that keeps on giving, it just keeps on giving. Plus, I have a bonus that I will give you, which is a one-on-one business strategy call when you partner with me. You'll get this one-on-one business strategy call. We will get together and strategize. And I'm telling you, you will hit the ground running and starting your own business. So this business opportunity is amazing. Another thing about the community is that it's not oversaturated. If you come with questions, your questions will be answered. You will be heard. You will be seen. You will be encouraged. So this business opportunity is amazing. I do have a couple of, well, have a free item for you, and it's called the Digital Marketing Elite Guide. It is a guide that kind of tells you about social media. So it's just going to hit like a few points because it is free. You can get that in my digital store, or you can head right on over to my site and purchase the digital marketing course. I call my business Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing. Listen, digital marketing can transform your life. It can transform your financial situation. It can really make a huge difference. Imagine selling a product for $599. If you sold one a day, would that make a difference? I know for me, it's made a difference. And it's currently on sale for $500. So you get all of what I said, plus so much more, plus ongoing. I'm telling you, ongoing training, ongoing knowledge. It's cutting edge knowledge that you get from the community. And inside the community, there's other components inside the community. I need to do like a deep dive and into what you get, but there's more inside the community, and I have other videos here that you can go and look and find out more information about what's inside the community, or go over to my website and go ahead and become a part of DPU community. Listen, we are winning on this side. It is not a situation where somebody's constantly, jumping down your throat, go get the money, go get the money, go get the money. It's not like that. It's really helping you to build a business, a sustainable business that you're proud to have, a sustainable business that you can venture out into other avenues where you can have multiple streams of income coming in. You couple this digital marketing course With AI, your business can almost run on its own. You just have to put in a few hours a day to make your business keep going, to oil your business, to water your business, to nurture your business. Listen, there's so many AI tools that you can couple with this low entry barrier business where even your monthly cost to run it is very, very low. It's very low. I am Coach TamaraDarice. I would love to partner with you. Going over to my site, Transform 180 with digital product marketing. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them for me either here in the comment section, or you can go over to my site and get my email address so you can email me directly. I would love to talk to you. And don't forget, you'll get that one-on-one business strategy, rapid fire, anointed coaching session with me. Blessings.